Hi Chloe, avid listener niyo po talaga ako. Please, patago na lang ng identity ko po and just call me Confused 11. I have a boyfriend for almost 3 years. Actually, magti 3 years pa lang kami this year. My boyfriend was a seafarer pero now he decided na wag nang sumakay ulit. Aware ako na ayaw ng parents niya sa akin since 10 years ang age gap namin. I'm turning 36 this year. Last year umuwi siya, then doon nag-start ang awkward communication namin. Nung nasa barko siya, every minute nag-uusap kami through Viber and Facebook Messenger. Pero ngayon halos wala na. And this year, he messaged me. After then, until now, wala na naman. My heart wants to hold on, pero ang isip ko ayaw na. I have my work and nung wala pang kakayanan ng boyfriend ko dati, ako ang tumutulong sa kanya. He even lived sa bahay pag nag-aasikaso siya dati ng papers. Sa house namin, legal kami kasi tanggap siya nila papa. And nagsabi naman siya na seryoso siya, but that was before siya umalis, early this year. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Every time I scan naman his Facebook, wala namang girl doon na paghihinalaan ko. Even friends niya nagsabi na very busy lang talaga ang boyfriend ko. Chloe, what will I do? Mag-anniversary na kami pero wala pa rin siyang paramdam. Ang nakakatawa pa, nagpo-post siya about sa trucking services and kotse niya pero any message sa akin ay wala. Do I need to accept na wala na kami dahil iba na ang priorities niya? Or should I understand him and wait? Thank you, Chloe, and God bless you more. Dear Confused 11, you can always ask because if you don't, the answer will always be no, diba? See, that's the thing about life. Change is the only thing that's constant about life. People, situations, even feelings change. That's why do not tie your happiness sa isang tao. Maybe he loves you still, but I guess being away and seeing the world, because the world is way, way much bigger than you and I can think of, or you and I can think. Maybe it has changed him and the way he sees things and his priorities. It's hard to talk about things through Viber and Facebook Messenger. So wait for him to come home so you can face him and see his reaction and feel the gravity of his words. It's simple. Talk to him and ask about the direction of your relationship. If hindi mo kaya, mag-gauge mo yan sa mga sinasabi niya pag magkasama kayo. Madali lang malaman. If he is into you, he will surely be vocal about his plans for both of you. Huwag kang mahiyang magtanong because ang alam ko ay may relasyon naman kayo. So magtanong ka. Di ba nga, huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Because if you don't ask, the answer will always be no. Yun lang talaga yung nakakaano, no? Sometimes, may isip mo lang talaga, malalaman mo talaga yung sincerity, yung loyalty ng isang lalaki. When he has everything, the moment that he starts having money, pagka meron na, afford niya na ang lahat, doon mo malalaman ang loyalty niya sa'yo. Pero ang babae, malalaman mo ang loyalty niya sa'yo sa isang lalaki kapag walang-wala ang lalaki. Minsan nga yung babae pa, it goes both ways. May mga lalaki na susuportahan nila yung babae until such time makuha ng babae yung goals nila, makapag-abroad, and then pag nandun na, wala na. Ganon din naman ang mga babae, susuporta sa boyfriend hanggang makasakay ng barko, maka-abroad and all. Everything is just a waiting game. It's a waiting game. Wait and see. That is why do not put all your eggs in one basket. Huwag mong masyadong i-focus dito sa lalaking to. Magkaroon ka rin ng plano para sa sarili mo. Okay lang tumulong. Siguro naman hindi niya makakalimutan yon. That there was a time in his life tumitira pa siya sa'yo nung walang-wala siya. At least ikaw, you did your part. And it's part of, being in a relationship, tulungan siya. Wala nagbago siya. So there you go. Nalaman mo at least early on, diba? Hindi ka naiwanan ng anak. Mas mahirap kung nakalarga na yan, nandun na yan sa barko, tapos ang hinahabol mo sustento para sa anak nyo. So be thankful na nakita mo ang true colors ngayon pa lang. And again, mag-focus sa sarili mo. Okay lang tumulong. Kung may plano naman kayo, meron naman kayong direksyon, okay lang yon. But wag mong masyadong itodo doon. Wag kang masyadong umasa. It's okay na umasa, okay din naman. Pero wag todo-todo, wag buhos. Meron pa ring itira sa sarili. May plano ka pa rin para sa sarili mo. Para kung sakaling magbago ang ihip ng hangin, ay hindi ka maiwan sa pansitan na nakanganga. Thank you so much, Confused 11. Sana ay malaman mo na kung saan ka talaga sa buhay ng lalaking mahal mo. Thank you for your letter.
Hey, thanks for watching!
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.